Hey guys, this is Andre, realtor in Houston. I think I found the most beautiful house in Houston. Two-tone kitchen with bronze colored door handles. It got the beautiful black and gold backsplash with a big extended oven. This is the dining area. Look at this beautiful gold accent lighting. It got some cabinetry in the back with a cooler and a small sink. You got your wine rack with additional storage. This is the huge living room that goes all the way to the ceiling. You got big glass sliding doors. You got the black and gold backsplash, big TV, gold accent furniture. This is the breakfast area with beautiful gold accent lighting. Beautiful marble floors with a big baseboard. Big spacious master bedroom where you can oversee the back pool. You got the beautiful custom restroom, though you got the his and her sink with bronze accent fixtures. To the right, you got the shower and the big huge tub. You got the his and her shower heads put together with a big huge garden tub. You got your custom walk-in closet. You got the shoe rack to the right. You got your laundry room here. 3-car garage with custom doors. Got your elevator to the left. You got another bedroom here with custom lighting. You got a walk-in closet here. Another beautiful custom restroom. Even the furniture got like a gold colored accent to it. You got the elevator here. Steps with extra lighting. This is another full bedroom. 2nd floor. You got a full bathroom here. A big custom walk-in closet. Big balcony in the front that overlooks the front yard. It got beautiful custom railing on it. You could probably throw some chairs on top and make it like a lounge area. This is like a flex room here. It got a full bathroom in the middle and it got another room in the back. There's another balcony that overlooks the backyard. You could get a beautiful view to the back pool. There's a lounge area here with a cooler, microwave, and a sink. And this is the custom theater room. Got custom lighting, projector on top, speakers on top. You got another full bathroom here. You got another full bedroom here. Big walk-in closet, shoe rack right in the middle. Plenty of space. You got the big extended back patio that overlooks the pool and the jacuzzi. You got a pool house to the right that's got a kitchen, a full bathroom, a full bedroom with a closet. If you're looking for an ultra custom home between 1.5 to 2 million, this is it right here. If you're looking for a realtor in the Houston area, go ahead and contact me. Thank you to Deja, the listing agent, for letting me record. And as always, thank you for watching.